There's nothing like a good, fresh coffee in the morning. When you want to get something brown and rich inside of you, is what you need to get you started on your day. Oh yeah, that's good coffee. With hand-picked, fresh coffee beans ground to perfection. Sharing coffee is for friends. Best friends. It's never too late to stare out a window drinking coffee. When you make mistakes, but that's life. So have another cup of coffee, fix something around the house, and come back. Make another cup of coffee. Yep, still fresh. 100 cups recommended a day.